Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
The brain is an amazing organ. Hello, and welcome to Fox Focus. I'm Beverly Taylor. As amazing as it is, when something goes wrong, there can be a variety of symptoms. Today, my guest is Dr. Sean Jochims with the Neurological Wellness Clinic. Welcome to you.
Thank you, Beverly. Thanks for having me.
Let's start off by telling me a little bit about the clinic.
Yeah, the Neurological Wellness Clinic was started in 2009. It's an independent medical practice. We specialize in both the nervous system, neurological disorders, as well as sleep issues.
Being independent, is there an advantage to that?
I think so. Yeah, it's very unique in today's society or today's environment, healthcare environment, to remain independent. I started it in 2009 for that, so that I could really be able to, as a physician, I can oversee things and really control the quality of care that I'm providing and really focus on the needs of the patient rather than a large healthcare system.
It started in 2009. Give me the backstory. You know, how did you get to that point?
Yes, I was a general neurologist in a major neurological practice for about 10 years. And then in 2009, I decided that I really wanted to focus in on some of my specialty areas, which was sleep medicine and then neurophysiology as well as neurology. So I started it, and it's been really good.
What was the motivation to even getting into this field?
Yes. Well, I always wanted to be a doctor since I was young. I just had a fascination with being able to help people and learn the sciences and everything. But then when I was pre-med in college, I suffered a really severe accident. I had a spinal cord injury.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was completely paralyzed at the time.
How long?
It was several weeks, and they did emergent surgery. And then through months of rehabilitation, I was able to recover.
Through that experience, have you found that to really help you in your practice?
Absolutely. You know, having overcome that was such a big deal for me. And, you know, it's laying there in the hospital bed, not being able to move or anything, that was a big deal. And I'll never forget that. And you know, now fortunately I'm able to help patients that, you know, went through similar conditions.
You can really understand what they're going through, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about who you're working with at the Neurological Wellness Center.
As far as the conditions that I treat patients with various neurological illnesses, patients who are suffering from Parkinson's disease. I actually have a personal interest in Parkinson's. I have a lot of family members. Since I was little, I saw patients with my grandmother had Parkinson's. So I take care of Parkinson's disease. I take care of patients with Alzheimer's disease. And then I treat patients with headaches, migraines. And then with my background in neurophysiology, I treat patients with seizures, which is a physiological disorder where there's electrical discharges that are firing in the brain, and sometimes those fire too much, and then patients have seizures. So we're able to evaluate those patients and diagnose them and treat them. I also treat various diseases of the muscles and nerves.
I know you don't do this alone.
No, exactly. I have an outstanding medical team. I'm really appreciative of the effort that they put in. They're really focused on my patients. I have a nurse practitioner. We partnered several years ago, and we work together. She really takes initiative on helping the patients with sleep apnea.
All right, so you've got a team. There will be people who have heard what you said, and they want to know how they can make an appointment, get more information. What do they need to do?
Yeah, you can either look us up online to get more of our information, or you can just directly call us and schedule an appointment, and we'd be totally happy to see you.
Excellent. Dr. Jochims, thank you for joining us, and thank you for watching. And join us again for another edition of Fox Focus.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.